MarineMax. My name is Al. I'm with MarineMax Sales in Cumming, Georgia. Today we're looking at a recent trade-in used Sea Ray 250 SLX. This is a 2017 model. It only has 65 hours on it. It's always been in fresh water. When you look at the boat going forward, you can see first of all it's got sea deck and the swim platform and your optional glass cloth as you get into the interior. It also has the rear seat, which pops up and can be used while sitting quietly in a cove enjoying a nice evening or swimming with your friends and family. This boat comes equipped for the convenience of the people sitting in the rear with a built-in convenient cooler, so that you don't have to get up, go in the boat if you want a cold beverage. Notice the sea deck walkthrough. As you come into the boat, of course it has a tower. You notice your grass cloth, and then underneath your center deck you have a large amount of storage for all your water toys, big enough for a wakeboard, surfboard, or just water skis. To the seat on the starboard right here you have a built-in pull-out cooler, Marine Igloo 25-quart cooler. You've got storage under all these seats. This has the upgraded bucket seats to both sides, flip-up bolsters for both sides. Coming forward, you've got a head, optional cushion, bow filler cushions, glove compartment here with its own drain. Cup holders abound on this boat for the convenience of the operators. This boat also is equipped with your dynamic display digital dash. So your GPS, your speed control, all the things you want to use for water sports are built into this dashboard. Coming forward again, you have your closable windshield, your door that closes off for your air dam, so as you can be out of the wind in the weather. When the weather gets cooler, you have storage in behind this. A lot of people use this for personal belongings. It is lockable, so not only is it hard to find, it's also hidden behind that door. Armrests for both sides. Again, recessed cup holders, 4 of them up here. Forward you've got your anchor well. This does not have a windlass on this size boat. Usually that's not an option. Lots of room up forward. You can stretch out comfortably for a person taller than I am. You've got the accent lights on the boat throughout. This boat also has underwater lights and is ready to go. 65 hours, 350 horsepower, Mercury Bravo 3 drive. This boat's ready for fun and on the water. Thank you.